We have a fun question to ask everybody. Have you ever been approached by an audience member that has watched our show randomly, unexpectedly, outside in a completely different setup where there is no sign of wo gaane wali anywhere? You have been.
There was a corporate show in Bombay and I was playing all these percussions और ये सब and like the full jacket में एकदम. Suddenly one guy comes up to me, बोले सर आप तबला भी बजाते हैं? मैंने बोला हाँ बजाता तो हूँ, तबला सीख के बड़ा हुआ हूँ. तो अरे I had attended one show, that was you क्या? He showed me a picture. I was like yeah, this is our show. सर आप ये सब भी करते हो? मैंने कहा अरे it's music यार, it's a different show, this is a different show. Oh, no, but I really liked that show today, sir. It was, but that show I really liked.
I think most recently it happened when Rutuja and I were together and we went to attend a different show. You were also with us. And we were at NMACC and we were waiting in a line to just get a coffee or something. And this one uncle was sitting and at a table. And Rutuja said that, oh, you see that uncle? He comes for many shows at NMACC. He had come for our Ogane Wali show. Conversation has moved on. We are chatting, suddenly uncle comes. He looks at us. आज आप दोनों यहाँ पे कैसे? क्या है आज आपका? मैं लाइक हम ये शो देखने आए हैं. अच्छा, हम भी उसी शो के लिए आए. My wife is sitting. Join her. So first we said no. Then we said okay. Then we went there and we were chatting with her and then we ordered food, etc. She left because they were standing in the line. And then we asked for the bill. And the bill was paid. And it was so unexpected and so sweet. And yeah, it was just one of those, yeah, very much.
Coming to the song now, Ja Beri Ja. This is the one song that is not a part of our show. What made you bring it to the EP?
So it's such a beautiful song. It's really beautiful. And it's the kind of song I think that is more contemporary than a lot of the dadras and thumris that we've picked for the show. And a lot of our songs in the show also have to have a story, instance, history, context that allows that show, that song to fit in that spot, right? So, Ja Beri Ja has not fit into any context and we've not brought it in the show. But when we decided to bring it into the EP, it's that one song where I think when you listen to it, you'll realize we've really pushed it creatively. Yeah. And there's a lot of interesting stuff happening in the arrangement. There's a lot of different stuff happening in it vocally also from the perspective of, mic techniques and how you project your voice compared to how you would typically in a Thumri or Dadra versus, knowing very well that this arrangement would require a certain voicing style that I was very happy to, experiment with that and try things out. So that's a unique thing about Ja Beri Ja, which is going to add a very different flavor to the EP.
I was very surprised because I thought all the songs that we're gonna take in the show only are gonna be in the EP. But Ja Beri Ja मैंने सुना and I was blown away कि भाई क्या है ये? And then we got to the arrangement, I was blown away again. Because it's traditional composition with modern elements and modern arrangement, modern techniques.
Yeah, I really liked the groove.
Yeah.
I think it's idea to O Gaane Wali takes beyond O Gaane out of. So it's lot of more things.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. Because when you're performing live, you have a different freedom to improvise. And when you're doing it in a recorded setup, the things you can do there is also another different kind of freedom that opens it up for you to experiment.
Can we just have a quick, who wrote Ja Beri Ja, original composition,
Yes.
what type of song it is?
So, Shobha Gurtu is the writer, composer and also maybe singer of Ja Beri Ja. But I don't think the song has really been used outside of that setup much. So it's a relatively unheard composition of Shobha Tai's.
It's also popularized by her disciple Shubha Joshi.
Yeah. So her circles and it's a very important song I think within the community, but बाहर इतना लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं है, which is great, rare and I think privilege for us to have access to that, that we could learn it, we could experiment with it and actually release it as something.
जाओ बरी जाओ बदरा